Hey there, lovely artists! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into some whimsical fun by drawing a delightful toucan bird clutching a heart-shaped lollipop. Perfect for the Valentine's season. So grab your drawing materials and let's embark on this colorful adventure. To kick things off, let's craft our iconic toucan's beak. Next, sculpt out its head, ensuring those eyes are big, round, and slightly squished together, giving our toucan that charmingly confused look. Now onto the body. Keep it simple with basic shapes. Add a feather-shaped arm on the right and a clenched fist on the left. It's as if our toucan is eagerly presenting the lollipop to you. Speaking of which, let's fashion our heart-shaped candy pop. Carefully draw the stick beneath the feather, completing the illusion of our toucan's adorable offering. And don't forget those final touches, the tail feathers and those tiny legs with cute little toes. Voila! Our toucan is ready to spread some love. Now let your creativity run wild as you color in your masterpiece. Make it as vibrant and joyful as your heart desires. Here's a peek at my colored version. Pretty snazzy, huh? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more artistic escapades. And remember, keep spreading love and keep drawing. Until next time, happy creating. Ciao.